Hello and welcome back. If you're watching this video, it means that you have already completed the sign-up process. In this video, you will learn how to do account verification or KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. KYC is a standard identity verification process that helps keep your account and assets safe and secure. It also helps prevent fraud and illegal activities. On Phemex, identity verification is handled by a trusted verification partner, and your personal information is protected throughout the process. Let's go step by step. First, once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and click Verification. This is where you will see your current verification status. There are 3 levels of verification at Phemex: Unverified, Basic, and Advanced. Let's talk about Level 1, which is Basic KYC. This is the first level of verification. Here, you will be asked for your country, a valid government-issued ID, and complete a quick identity check. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once approved, your account will be marked with Basic KYC Verified. If your account is not verified or unverified status, your daily limit for withdrawal is only $50,000. With Level 1 verification, your daily limit will be upgraded to $100,000. Now, let's talk about Level 2, Advanced KYC. If you want higher limits, then you have to upgrade to Advanced KYC. This step might include additional identity confirmation and a facial or live verification check. This process is guided on screen, and it only takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once approved, your daily withdrawal limit will be upgraded to $2 million per day. Completing KYC unlocks higher withdrawal limits, improves your account security, and it gives you full access to the platform features and campaigns. Once your verification is ready, and then you're ready to move on the next video, we'll be talking about security.